Hey everyone, let's be real for a second. If you're in America, you've probably seen a Ford F-150 today, maybe even 3 times before your morning coffee. These trucks are everywhere, in parking lots, on highways, even in grandma's driveway, you name it. And honestly, I get it. They're amazing trucks. Strong, tough, legendary. Built to haul, tow, and survive anything you throw at them. But here's the funny part. Most of these amazing trucks don't fail because they're weak or poorly built. They fail because of their owners. Yep, that's right. Sometimes we're the problem. Let's start with the most classic mistake. I'll change the oil later. I can't even count how many F-150s I've seen with owners acting like their truck can run forever without proper maintenance. Newsflash, it can't. Trucks are not magic. Skipping oil changes, ignoring transmission service, or forgetting about differential fluids is like telling your engine, good luck out there, buddy. Eventually, the engine will literally throw its hands up and be like, dude, seriously? And that's just the beginning. Next, we have overloading the truck. I swear, every F-150 owner thinks their truck is some kind of superhero. Oh, I'll tow 12,000 pounds today, no problem. Meanwhile, the suspension is silently screaming, the transmission is begging for mercy, and the brakes are questioning every life choice you've ever made. It might feel strong at the moment, but that kind of stress piles up quickly. And soon enough, your legendary truck is asking for expensive repairs. And don't even get me started on tires. Your truck might cost tens of thousands of dollars, but somehow the tires are the cheapest set on sale. Bad grip, poor fuel economy, and sliding around in the rain like it's an ice skating competition. Come on, people, your truck deserves better than that. And then there's the classic 4x4 misuse. Some people just love pressing that four-wheel drive button on dry asphalt. Just because it exists doesn't mean you should use it like a fashion accessory. Four-wheel drive is for snow, mud, and off-road adventures, not your Sunday grocery run. Using it wrong doesn't just waste your time, it slowly destroys your drivetrain, and that's money out of your pocket. Let's talk rust, because this one is sneaky. In snowy and coastal states, road salt eats away at the underbody like a tiny ninja army, and many owners pretend it doesn't exist. Frames start looking older than their driver's license, brake lines corrode quietly, and suspension parts start giving up without a single warning. Then there's driving style, which I love but also hate to watch. Cold engine, full throttle. Every stoplight, drag race mode. EcoBoost or V8, it doesn't matter. Your engine is screaming inside like, please, just chill for 2 minutes. And if that wasn't enough, there's the check engine light, the truck's way of yelling at you. Ignoring it doesn't make it go away. It's like a polite nudge turning into a screaming bill in your mailbox a few weeks later. And finally, let's have a quick laugh about aftermarket mods. Cheap lift kits, sketchy tuning chips, and loud exhausts might make your truck look awesome on Instagram, but your truck inside is like, are you kidding me? Reliability drops, fuel efficiency suffers, and warranties get voided faster than you can say flex mode. But here's the truth, my friends. A Ford F-Series is a beast. It can easily last over 300,000 miles or more if you treat it right. Strong, reliable, legendary, yes. Invincible? Nope. It needs love, respect, and a little bit of common sense. So check your oil, mind your tires, respect the 4x4, and maybe give it a little TLC every now and then. Treat your truck right, laugh a little, and I promise it'll stick around way longer than some of your exes. And honestly, that's all I'm saying today. Take care of your F-150 and it'll take care of you. Now go give your truck a little nod, maybe a high five, and let's all promise not to let these legendary beasts suffer at our hands. Trust me, they'll thank you in miles.